Hi, good afternoon. Pag-usapan natin yung the 4Ds of security. Ano ba yung 4Ds? Delay, deter, deny, and detect. And where they belong. Yan ba physical security or access control? Gentlemen and ladies, in security, our job is not only to react. Our job is to control, prevent, and manage threats before they become incidents. No? Maagapan bago pa maging insidente o bago mangyari. Today, I will share a simple but powerful concept used worldwide in security operations. Ito nga yung the 4Ds of security. Again, delay, deter, deny, and detect. If you understand this four, you will think like a professional security officer. Para mga security officer ng Suliman. What are the 4Ds? The 4Ds are layers of protection used in physical security and access control system. They answer this question, how do we stop or manage a threat, no? Paano natin ihinto, titigil? Number one, delay. Delay meaning to slow down the intruder or threat, no? Pabagalin natin, yantala natin. Because the longer the delay, the more time security has to respond, no? Nakaka-respond di tayo mabilis. Where it belongs, physical security yan. Examples ng delay, fences and perimeter walls, yung mga tataas, no? Reinforced doors and gates, double locks and deadbolts, concrete barriers and bollards. No, marami yan sa mga embassy, sa mga malalaking bangko, at malalaking building. No? Turnstile and man traps. Ang delay ay nagbibigay ng oras sa security para mapabagal yung paggalaw, pagkilos sa mga kalaban. Number two, deter. It means to discourage someone from committing a crime, no? Sometimes criminals will not attack if they see strong security. Pag nakakita nila, uy, si Santos yung nakatayo, snappy yan. Sudiman yan eh. O, di ba? Where it belongs, physical security. No? Psychological security. No? Examples of deter. Visible uniform guards. Yun nga, si Santos. CCTV cameras, especially mga visible, no? Bright security lighting. Dapat doon sa mga corner, maliliwanag yan. Security patrol vehicles. Warning signs, no trespassing, CCTV in operation. Yun, isa yun na nakikita nyo kahit saan naman sa mga bangko, meron yung nakalagay. No, K9 units. Ang deterrence ay pagbibigay ng babala o warning. Parang pananakot sa kriminal para hindi na sila mag-isip na gumawa ng masama. Kasi nakita nila eh. No? Si Santos yung naka-duty tapos meron pang nakalagay CCTV is on operation. No? Number 3, deny. It means to completely block or refuse access of an authorized person. Where it belongs, access control system, examples ng deny, ID card, access system. Siyempre, tatap mo yun. Kung hindi mo mukha yun, hindi ka makakapasok. Biometric scanners, ganun din. Dalawang klase yan, may fingerprints, saka may face recognition. Electronic door locks, access control policies, no? Authorized personnel only, no? Visitors pass and registration system. Yan yung mga restricted zones, no? Server room, armory, vaults. Ang deny ay nagsasabi na hindi ka pwede rito. Oy, doon ka. stop ka. Bawal ka rito. And number 4, yung detect. It means to discover or identify a threat, no, intrusion or suspicious activity. Saan niyang kabilang, no, where it belongs, physical security and electronic security systems. Example of detect, CCTV monitoring and recording, alarm system, sama na dyan yung motion sensors, door sensors, last break detectors, intrusion detection, security patrols and observation, logbooks and incident reports. Ang detect ay mata ng security. Kung hindi mo nakikita ang threat, hindi mo ito makokontrol. How the 4Ds work, no? Paano ito nagagamit natin sa security? Because the 4Ds works together as security layers. A professional security system does not rely on only one ID. No, example, scenario, warehouse facility. Ano ang detail dyan? Visible guards, light CCTV signage. Ano ang delay? High perimeter, lock gates. Ano ang deny? Access card system for employees only. At ang detect natin dyan, motion sensors and CCTV monitoring. Tandaan natin, security is like an onion. No? Ano ba sa Tagalog ng onion? Sibuyas. Maraming layers yan. Hindi sapat ang isa. Kaya ang security is like a onion. No? Marami yan. Layer. Nakalusot ka sa isa, may pangalawa, pangatlo, pangapat. Depende sa design sa binabantayan ninyo. Remember, there is no such thing as 100% security. Wala po niyan. No buildings, facility, or system is completely invincible. However, by applying the 4Ds of security, delay, deter, deny, and detect, we can significantly tighten security, reduce risks, and control threats before they become incidents. The goal of security is not perfection, but prevention, preparedness, and protection. Tandaan natin, walang building o facility na tunay na impenetrable. Depende lamang sa diskarte at para ng mga kriminal kung paano nila lulusutan ng security. Kaya ang 4Ds of security, delay, deter, detect, and deny, ay dapat mahigpit na ipinutupad sa lahat ng oras at walang pinipiling pagkakataon ang security. Hindi pwedeng kampante, relax. Kailangan lagi po tayong handa at disiplinado. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa munting kalaman na muli nating binahagi dito sa Doc ni F. Santos. Munting kalaman, dagdag kalaman. Ingat po tayong palagi at mabuhay.